Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to quickly remove closed captions on YouTube TV. If you're tired of subtitles popping up when you don't want them, this video is for you. We'll cover a few different methods to turn off subtitles on YouTube TV, no matter what device you're using. So, stick around and let's get started. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, so you're watching YouTube TV and suddenly subtitles appear. Annoying, right? Let's get rid of them. Method 1. Using the remote control, most common. This is the easiest and most common way. When you're watching a video, first, press the down arrow on your remote. This should bring up the video controls. Look for the CC icon, which stands for closed captions. It usually looks like a rectangle with lines in it. Select the CC icon. This will usually give you options like on, off, or English. Simply select off to disable subtitles. That's it. Subtitles should disappear. Method 2. Through the YouTube TV settings menu. If you don't see the CC icon, you might need to adjust the settings in the YouTube TV menu. Here's how. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to your profile picture or account icon, usually in the top right corner. Select Settings. Then, select Captions. Here, you should be able to toggle captions to off. This should turn off subtitles globally within YouTube TV. Method 3. Using voice commands, if available. Some devices, like smart TVs with voice assistant capabilities, allow you to turn off subtitles with a voice command. For example, you could say something like
Astérisque et Google, turn off subtitle.
Alexa, turn off closed captions on YouTube TV. This is the fastest method if your device supports it. Troubleshooting. If you've tried these methods and subtitles are still appearing, here are a few things to check. Check the specific video. Some videos might have embedded subtitles that can't be turned off. Restart YouTube TV. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix glitches. Close the YouTube TV app and reopen it. Update YouTube TV. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed. And that's it. You should now be able to easily remove closed captions and turn off subtitles on YouTube TV. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.